A mosque donation request letter can play an important role in helping a mosque secure the financial support needed for construction projects, renovations, educational programs, charitable activities, community outreach, and daily operations. Without sufficient funding, important services that benefit worshippers, students, families, and those in need may be delayed, reduced, or unable to continue. Many mosques make the mistake of sending donation requests that are too brief, fail to explain the purpose of the fundraising effort, or do not clearly show how contributions will be used. So, here is how to write it. Mosque information. Start by writing the mosque's contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Masjid Al-Hidayah, 125 Islamic Center Drive, Houston, Texas 77002, 713-555-4821, info@alhidayahmosque.org. This section identifies the organization requesting the donation and provides contact information for anyone who may wish to ask questions or verify the request. Accurate contact information helps build trust and credibility with potential donors. Date. After the mosque information, write the date. For example, June 11, 2026. The date establishes when the donation request was issued and helps keep fundraising records organized. Current dates also help donors understand that the request relates to an active fundraising effort. Recipient information. Next, write the donor's information. For example, Ahmed Rahman, Rahman Family Foundation, 850 Community Avenue, Houston, Texas, 77003. This identifies the individual or organization receiving the donation request. Personalizing the letter often makes the request more meaningful and professional. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, donation request for mosque support. The subject immediately informs the reader of the purpose of the letter. A clear subject helps ensure the request is understood before the letter is even read. Salutation. Address the recipient respectfully. For example, Dear Mr. Rahman, this creates a professional and respectful opening for the correspondence. Using the correct name demonstrates courtesy and attention to detail. Islamic greeting. After the salutation, include the Islamic greeting. For example, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This greeting reflects Islamic etiquette and helps establish a warm and respectful tone. Using the traditional greeting is appropriate when communicating with Muslim donors and supporters. Opening paragraph. Now begin the letter by introducing the request. For example, on behalf of Masjid Al-Hidayah, I hope this letter finds you and your family in good health and blessings. We are writing to respectfully request your support for our mosque and its ongoing efforts to serve the community. This paragraph introduces the purpose of the letter while expressing goodwill toward the recipient. A welcoming introduction helps establish a positive connection before discussing fundraising needs. Mosque mission paragraph. Next, explain the role of the mosque within the community. For example, our mosque plays an important role in providing a place of worship, Islamic education, community gatherings, and charitable services for individuals and families in our area. Through these programs, we strive to strengthen faith, promote unity, and support those in need. This paragraph helps donors understand the value and impact of the mosque's work. Explaining community benefits often helps donors appreciate the importance of supporting the organization. Funding need paragraph. Now explain the specific reason funding is needed. For example, currently, we are seeking financial assistance for the expansion of our prayer hall and educational facilities. The estimated cost of this project is $150,000, and we are reaching out to generous individuals and organizations who may be willing to contribute toward this important cause. This is one of the most important paragraphs because it clearly explains what the fundraising effort is intended to accomplish. Specific projects and funding goals often make donation requests more compelling. Donation impact paragraph. Next, explain how donor contributions will be used. For example, your donation, regardless of the amount, will help us continue serving our congregation and the wider community. Contributions will be used responsibly and exclusively for the intended purpose of supporting the mosque and its activities. This paragraph reassures donors that their contributions will be managed responsibly. People are often more willing to donate when they understand how funds will be used. Donation Methods section. Now explain how donations can be made. For example, if you would like to make a donation, you may do so through the following methods. Donation method, bank transfer. Account name, Masjid Al-Hidayah. Account number, 1234567889. Additional information, www.alhidayahmosque.org/donate. This section provides practical instructions that allow donors to contribute easily. Clear payment instructions can reduce confusion and encourage faster responses. Appreciation paragraph. Next, express appreciation for the donor's consideration. For example, we sincerely appreciate your consideration of this request. Your generosity will have a meaningful impact on the success of this project and will help ensure that our mosque continues to serve future generations. This paragraph acknowledges the importance of the donor's potential contribution. People appreciate knowing that their support is valued and meaningful. Additional information paragraph. Now offer to provide further information. For example, should you require any additional information regarding our mosque, programs, or funding needs, please feel free to contact us at your convenience. This demonstrates openness, transparency, and willingness to answer questions. Providing access to additional information can help strengthen donor confidence. Thank you and prayer paragraph. Next, include your thank you message and prayer. For example, thank you for your kindness, generosity, and support. May Allah reward you abundantly for your contribution and bless you with continued health, prosperity, and success. This paragraph expresses gratitude while offering a sincere prayer for the donor. A heartfelt closing message reinforces the spirit of charitable giving within the community. Islamic closing greeting. After the thank you paragraph, include the closing Islamic greeting. For example, Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This serves as a respectful and appropriate conclusion to the letter. Using the proper closing greeting maintains consistency with Islamic correspondence traditions. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, sincerely, Omar Hassan. Fundraising Committee Chair, Masjid Al-Hidayah. This section identifies the individual responsible for the donation request. Including the sender's position helps establish authority and accountability. Contact information. Finally, provide direct contact information. For example, phone 713-555-4821. Email omar.hassan@alhidayahmosque.org. This gives potential donors a direct way to ask questions or discuss contributions. Easy communication can help encourage donor engagement and support. Before sending your mosque donation request letter, make sure the purpose of the fundraising effort is clearly explained, the donation methods are accurate, and all contact information is current. Donors are more likely to contribute when they understand the need, trust the organization, and see how their support will benefit the community. A strong donation request letter combines transparency, gratitude, and a clear explanation of how contributions will help advance the mosque's mission. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.